Bro, there's so many GTRs here, guys.
That dude was sick.
What's up, guys? You watch another video. As you guys see, we just made it to this GTR meet. Like, literally full of GTRs, bro. I love these events because you never run into this many GTRs in one place. Only like here. There's probably like 50 GTRs here, guys. It's crazy. There's so many. But we got mine right here. They gave me the VIP parking right in the front of the dealership. The GTR is clean, though. Yesterday, we washed it, me and David. And they came out super nice. It's still clean. But yeah, look at all these GTRs, guys. There's so many. A bunch of fast cars over here. You like that one? Yeah, that color is sick. I don't know if that's paint or not. But let's go check out some cars, guys. There's a lot.
That one's for sure the best one.
That one is for sure the cleanest. Look at the whole Chris. 240, R33. That one's probably like super rare. It looks like it's like a rare spec. You gotta see this car, David. Have you ever seen this one?
No,
this is the guy who does my maintenance on my car.
Oh, that's the one?
This is him, and this is his car, bro. Look at his tire setup in the back. Bro. This is my favorite GTR, guys. The homie Chris's. I think those are expensive. Imagine how uncomfortable those are, brother. And look at this. Bro, he puts a 15-inch on it. And what he had to do, I think they put 350Z brakes on it because it won't fit the big-ass Brembos.
These are paint matchers.
I know it looks hard on paint match with the duck bill. It probably is carbon. Yeah, his car is beautiful. He actually took out the cage. He used to have a cage in here, and I think he took it out. I think he had a cage. What? His exhaust?
Oh, it's in the front, huh?
It's a race car, brother. This is open dump. This is a downpipe. These are all like the most badass GTRs in SoCal right here. We got Lady Zilla, my twin. Literally, bro, she's super fast though. This does not look anything stock at all. I think it makes over 1,000. Look at same wheels as my car, same tires, and it's black. We were twinning at one point. What's up? So I guess she has an open downpipe, guys. Like literally just exhaust shit out the bottom. God damn. There's no point in the exhaust tips because it literally comes out the bottom. I should do that, huh? God damn. She's not scared. This shit's sick. That's sick. Her car is no joke, bro. This shit is so clean. It's what I wish my car was. Mine's like the knockoff version of her car. Built trans, built engine, bigger turbo, sick ass wheels. That Phil's car, which is even crazier. The fastest car here?
Stop, bro.
Full race car. Nah, for sure. Like these are the 3 of my favorite GTRs in SoCal, guys, for sure. I know. Look at this car. The wheels, everything. Oh my God, David! I didn't even see this one, bro. Look at this one, guys. God damn. This is perfect. This is the sickest GTR that I've ever seen. I'm not even kidding. If I had all the money in the world, my GTR would look just like this. I want this wing. Oh my God, I almost fell, bro. I want this wing so bad, but you know how expensive it is?
It's expensive?
All these guys are just rocking no exhaust, bro. They're crazy. And a Supra? Is that a Supra?
Badass tire, bro.
Badass tire.
That shit has to be fast, right?
You guys could already tell I'm super excited to be here because I love GTRs. And there's so many GTRs here. And these are just perfect. Like, these are like my dream setups right here. Like the fast setups, like the big tires, meaty tires, all that stuff is like my favorite look on the GTRs. And all of them have that. And again, he has carbon seats too. I need to get these, bro. Oh my God. Must be nice. But that turbo's the size of your head, baby. That shit is huge, bro. It's for sure fast. For sure 1,000.
Bro, imagine that shit must have a lot of lag, right?
Millennium Jade. Paint. It's not a wrap. It's actually paint. And it's right-hand drive, bro. The red just looks so good. Red is probably my favorite on the GTR, though. Not gonna lie. I would go back to red, but I feel like a lot of you guys are gonna get mad at me if I go back to red. But should we do this color? They actually make this in a wrap. This one's paint, so it looks way better, obviously, but they make a wrap, and I kind of want to do it on my GTR. But look at right-hand drive. Straight from like Japan, bro. All these cars have big ass tires on them. Like everyone's rocking big fat tires. But look at that cage. Damn, I want to do this on mine. Roll cage. That wing is pretty crazy. I've never seen that. Sick. Look at the Advance. David loves those wheels.
Yeah, these shit are too big.
They are big, bro. Those are probably like 20s. This one's like completely stock. Look at stock boys. We were there one day. This is also
It's pretty cool.
lady driven. This shit's fast too.
Girls like these wheels.
White wheels.
What's up with you? You a girl?
What, me?
Yeah.
All the girls have these wheels?
Yeah.
Me and them too. But the white's hard. White on white. I thought about doing mine white. But look, as you can tell, it's probably impossible to keep them clean. And I drive too much, bro. They'll end up turning black. Oh my god, I didn't even see this. A Nismo? Probably the most expensive one here.
You think so?
Yeah, those shits are going for like 160 now, brother. Damn. I know not many people bag them, but it's cool to see them bagged sometimes.
Oh no, actually the paint is my worth it.
I need to take my wrap off, guys. But look, their paint is like immaculate. Mine's a little beat up.
I don't like that lip either.
I have hella rock chips. You guys like these? It looks kind of cool on bags, but I don't know. I just don't like the front ends. What, the dog?
Isabella.
Hi.
Tweeter.
What's up? Well, these dogs are so cute, guys.
A fluffy carrier.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So
R32. Oh, sick. You guys know this is one of the cars that I want to get one day too. I always said it's gonna be my first right-hand drive car that I buy. It's the R32 GTR. You can smell the E85 on. That's cammed or something.
Wheels are crazy, dude.
The wheels?
Yeah, look at the wheels.
I wish I bought Jimmy's. That would have been sick. Damn, bro, look at the interior. Oh, carbon, bro. This is the one that David likes, huh? The best?
This is hard, bro.
Yeah, this one honestly is one of like the most beautiful GTRs. Yeah, he got like a whole aftermarket, new bumper, new side skirts, new fenders, new hood, new bumper in the front, new wing. He pretty much changed out every panel on the car. Man, his car is beautiful, bro. I love the front end, like that bumper matched with that hood and the fenders. Like, I want to do that so bad. Yeah, guys, there's a lot of sick GTRs here. So many. Damn, bro. Look at the turbo in the front. What the? My boy has a parachute? Race him. Imagine I put these wheels on mine with my wrap. Oh, hell no. That look crazy. Now Kicks is the only BMW at a GTR meet. Now it's flipped. I'm usually the only GTR at a BMW meet.
Not the only BMW, I got mine.
Oh, I did see you pull up in the E36, huh? Sheesh. Full bolt on? That shit is great. Look, the turbo's still spinning. You can still see it.
See the chute in the back?
Yeah, the parachute and the car seat. The perfect combination. Bro, this is insane, guys. Look, the turbo's still spinning. Damn, bro. And my boy really has a car seat in the back with the parachute. I want to have a car so fast that I need a parachute, guys. One day, that's my goal. Huh? If a cop sees this, I don't know. I'm pretty sure he's getting pulled over ASAP, right? There's no way. Fresh kicks. FindingNick. Fresh kicks. Damn. Fresh zapatos.
Gotta live up to the name, my G. Time for you to buy a Supra, my boy.
I know. Damn, that shit is crazy.
Sell the GTR.
I'm surprised you haven't got one. That shit's badass.
I don't know.
Nah.
I'm not the biggest fan, to be honest.
No way. Look who else came to a GTR meet in the wrong car. You brought the wrong car, bro.
Man, look at all these JDMs here.
Who do you think's gonna shoot bigger flames? I don't know. That shit looks burnt already, so you can tell he shoots flames. Yeah, they for sure shoot flames. You can tell he shoots flames, bro. Look, mine's just like that.
Why not? Yeah.
If it was dark outside, you probably see all the flames, but it's too bright.
If it made it warmer.
You can see all the heat in the air and stuff like that. Damn! Shit loud, bro.
Now it's clapping.
Everyone's clapping. Damn, those flames are crazy. I didn't know they could do that, bro.
There you go.
Your turn. All right, guys. Josh is gonna rev it now. Lambo at the GTR meet. The Nismo. They're so clean, bro.
That's what you're gonna get next or what?
Maybe, huh? Nah, that's just way too expensive. I think I'd rather get like an R8 or something for the price.
200 bucks.
Or like a Lambo or something, but they are sick. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. We're about to start another vlog right now, I think. We're gonna go grab some food real quick and then go to another meet tonight. We'll see, but this is probably gonna conclude this vlog right here, I think.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.